Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make $100 a day designing with Canva mobile app. It is realistic with the right strategy. First of all, identify and demand products like social media templates, logos or planners. Create multiple templates quickly using Canva's ready-made assets from over here. Then list your designs on Fiverr, Estee, or social media. Promote your designs to attract buyers. Safety tip: only offer your original designs or properly licensed Canva assets. Quick fix: if sales are slow, improve your listing with better previews on and descriptions. And that's it. Subscribe for more tutorials and money making tips.